Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Past Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So pushing up just shy of the stop reduction. We talked about 4,500. What do we hit? 44.85, so no stop reduction on the double. Interesting, now we have a double within a double. So, and it's double short has not triggered yet. We need a close below 41.6720 or an extended move and a retest. What's interesting is that would not invalidate the other double. The only way the other double is going to get invalidated is if we close below 38.7157 or if we trade below 3,800. So theoretically, this could trigger, hit all three targets, and then move back up and still complete this other double. It would not be optimal, but that's what could happen. So far, the rotation zone's held. So pull back once in a rotation zone, higher high, but that also gave a divergence. So it's pausing right now. We're coming back to test the lower end of the rotation zone. So far, rallying back above the trigger point. So just to reiterate again, stop reduction target 45.13, next target 45.56 and 47.98. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart. So see yesterday closing right on the rotation zone. So pretty much it's not bearish closing below it, not bullish closing above it, just pretty much right on it. Sort of just making higher high, but a very neutral day to day, slightly bearish. But we're just going to have to see whether this double top triggers and we go down to hit those targets, or if we don't trigger the double top and we continue up. You can still see the full target. It was within the declining rotation zone, so we could easily reach the full target, especially this cluster area up here, and still be in bearish mode long term. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum did not get close to stop reduction target yet, only got to 127.87. Also just barely forming a potential double top. It would, and it's traded below, so it's a confirmed double top but not triggered. It would need to get below on this one 116.80. This has not been able to hold the rotation zone so far, so we're going to see Ethereum acting a lot weaker. And if this did go down and hit, it could hit the stop reduction target and still maintain the long double, but then if it hit the first target, it would also invalidate the long double. So this one's different from Bitcoin, is if this does play out, it will, and it hits the profit targets, especially the first one, it would invalidate the long double. But we shall have to see. Just pointing that out. And by the way, this has not officially triggered yet. It's just been a confirmed double top because it traded below. But it's not closed or moved down substantially, retested, and then rolled over again. Let's check in on the daily chart for Ethereum. So Ethereum, yesterday you can see closing below the rotation zone. So that's bearish. And you can see the much bigger drop today. But the same targets are in place, 131.67, 136.45, 141.23, well within the rotation zone, but this has not been able to close within the rotation zone yet. So Ethereum acting a lot weaker. We're just going to have to keep an eye on it, but this double bottom is still valid and triggered. So what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.